W keys.
Yeah, it's lucky that you used the W keys.
And I'm pretty sure she's probably using the arrow keys, or she's on the phone.
Which is like bad. You can tell if somebody's on phone if they're like lagging extremely bad, and whenever they jump like 2 times into the ground. Like their feet smash into the ground.
Wait for it. Oh,
I just killed her.
I wonder what you have to say. Ooh. She keeps on saying ooh.
Ow!
No, like a low pump. Ooh.
A low pump?
Like ooh. Since I gotta cover my balding hairline, I gotta put that
Wait for me.
Why are you being the last guest?
Oh my god.
I'm being the noob.
I don't care. Screw you.
Sure, you're the last guest.
You know that you can dolphin dive in this game?
I wanna die.
Want me to dolphin dive?
Yes.
Okay, I thought I just saw a criminal and there he is.
Want me to dolphin dive?
Yes.
Ow! Okay, I was...
I'm a dolphin dive. You ready for this, son?
I have bald hair.
Works. I dolphin dive. Oh,
Alright.
you're trying to come out. Do you think I should help you get the prisoners?
No, screw them.
Oh, you want in? You want us in? Prepare to get eliminated. You stupid a-hole.
Shut the fuck up. I used almost all my rocket fuel and I just got it all full rocket fuel today.
Well, you want me? Yeah, let's go help. I gotta chase down Kim Kardashian. Look, I gotta chase down Kim Kardashian.
Alright, arrested. You got this man. This man's down.
Want me to like kill him?
Yeah, gun that man. Gun this man down. Gun him down. Gun him down.
No, he's dead. Do you think we're good?
Gun this bitch down. Oh, okay.
You like me hiding my receding hairline?
Alright, get in my fucking van.
I'm getting on top. Like I'm gonna chase people. You think that's good?
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Come on, let's go. I love brother.
We just squad.
Noobs. Oh, noobs.
Yeah.
Noob squad. Squadron. Noob squadron.
Squad.
Noob squadron. It's noob. We're the noob squadron.
See if it's a vehicle. Get your ass over here. It's a fucking McLaren. It's a fucking McLaren.
Okay.
Fucking
Die.
die.
I can't get out, dude. Okay. I think you just robbed the museum. Okay,
Alright,
arrest.
Oh!
Should I kill him? Should I kill him?
Yeah, kill him. Become a corrupted cop. Fucking kill him.
I wonder what he's gonna say. I wonder if he's gonna yell out noob.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, he did get killed by the noob
Somebody
squadron.
Somebody tried to say you illegal.
You eagle! Wow!
Oh, I see a car over there. Dude, over there. Okay.
Shoot him down. Shoot this man down.
I can't shoot whenever you're moving.
Get him.
Let's go.
Oh!
Run on patrol! Run on patrol!
Ah!
I died.
I gotta use all my rocket fuel now.
Oh, now there's like a heli. Okay.
I
Oh, someone's coming after him. Someone's coming after him.
Oh, it's another cop. I guess he's one of the corrupteds. There's a dude on a bike.
How come my things ain't working? I'm pretty sure he's using like a glitch or something. Oh, yep, he just left the game. Because he did not want to be arrested. He's that.
Okay, sorry.
I'll kill you. This man left the game because he didn't want to be arrested.
Oh, he said, huh?
Nani? Let me get on the top. Okay. He's like, Nani?
Nani? Hey!
What are you doing here?
It's past curfew.
Past curfew.
We just gunned him down. We're so. Oh my god.
Jesus, people don't kill him. People don't kill us.
Back into the van.
I'm pretty sure they're using phones because they're that bad. Nope, no, they're running away. Let's go. Chase them. You need to chase them down. I'll be back.
They just.
See you, registered cool guy. I think that's good. Marvelous.
Okay, guys. We have complaints about you being too loud. If you're too loud again, I'm just gonna cut you off.
Back to
Guys, let me see. Let me see.
Get out of the front. Get out of the top. I'll straight in the back.
Fine. Come on, spot. Somewhere. Something's back
Oh
here.
my
Let go. The noob squad now. There goes all my rocket fuel for nothing. Ow.
Let's go to the bank and see if we have it.
Nope.
Yeah, it's the bank. But I hear a lot of people are going to the museum, so we should go there.
Yeah, because I think why most people get it is because of the money.
Dude, there's somebody at the museum.
I know, but there could be more than one
So I'm
person.
waiting for you, Caleb.
Collab. What the fuck does collab mean?
Collab?
No, you said Caleb.
Cooler? Collar?
Come.
Collar?
Shh, call. Collar? What do you mean by collar? We getting into your car. You fucking barely let me talk. Bitch. You know what? You know what's funny? You can shoot them while they're inside the museum. We can gun them down.
You can go.
So gun them down.
You know what like the soundproof walls and stuff? Let's get in. Oh, and I died. Oops.
It's impossible to do it now. I'm at the museum, please.
Oh, you
Oh,
can't
it's
jump in.
Casey Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian's at the
Yeah, I think I
Thank you,
mentioned
Magic.
that.
at the museum. At the museum.
Oh, you know what you can do? You don't need one. I'm gonna break out.
Right here.
Why can you not go in there?
No, you can't.
Why?
I just got from my dinner.
Oh shit! I just saw a flying Porsche. Oh no, that's a Bugatti. That's a flying Bugatti.
Oh my god.
Dude, oh dude is a very good guy. No,
Oh, it's that dude we arrested earlier. Remember him?
Yeah, you know when he got so butthurt?
Oh yeah, he was mad. So, yeah. Every car here, we customize it into mine unless it's locked or have it.
My, you have to wait till both of them get out. I'll go up the stairs again because I'll be up there.
It's Casey Kim Kardashian. I don't know.
Yeah, go get it. You need my help?
Yo, she's a runner.
Who's a runner? We need a taser.
Get right.
What? What?
Just
I don't know what she has to
taser.
say. What if she says anything like nude or something?
I want my SWAT gun. SMH. Same. Fuck you.
Fuck you. Why is this so
Dude,
weird?
somebody's taking the SWAT gun.
I don't care. I
You
got a
just,
Porsche.
dude, what about me? I'm getting in.
Wait.
Oh, Casey can go that part of you. Taser.
Got
Taser.
her arrested. Oh, she left the game.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'll get in and take people.
I'm the backup plan.
Why don't you get like a
How we're
car?
riding into McDonald's.
Oh, right there, over there.
Wait,
There's
guys,
a
wait.
heli, there's a heli up here. There's a heli up here.
Go in. Go in.
Sorry. That was the backup plan.
Quiet. I'm the driver.
Why can't I drive it?
Because my heli get out.
Okay, get in.
Holy hell, he just rode
Go, get
over.
over.
Shoot him down.
I can't whenever we're I can't even see. I have very bad aim. Turn the light. Why are they in the left? I'm not even sure what they're doing. They're talking at the mid-corner. You just gotta watch them.
Who did that to me?
They just dropped you out.
Dude.
Get up. Did you just watch them?
Yeah.
No, no.
Hey.
You're better than everyone else.
Oh, punch him to death. I'm just bitch. He's running now. Ouch.
I think we hit you.
Oh, tires. Beat him to death, beat him to death, beat him to death. Oh, I gotta go. You heard me? Alright, guys, that's it of this video of Jailbreak. I hope you guys will enjoy. Alright, go kill yourselves.
God.